Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. Here we're gonna tell you about Industrial and System Engineering is the only Abet accredited department in ITS. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Prati Dina Dinarvati and I break 024036.
My name is Faviana Dewi Saputri and RP 024055.
My name is Jihan Aziza, NRP 024171.
Okay. Do you know about Abet? Abet, or American Board for Engineering and Technology, is a non-profit institute that engages in the accreditation of education programs in the field of science, computers, and engineering. Abet is an official accreditor from U.S. Council for Higher Education Accreditation. If a department has been accredited Abet, that department is considered to have met international standards that are read by curriculum, facilities, student activities, and other student competency development programs. How about WTO? WTO, or World Trade Organization, is an intergovernmental organization that is concerned with the regulation of international trade between nations. As the negative impact of WTO is decline in domestic industries and increasing foreign influence, the impact of WTO for us is competition will be tiger to get a job. Therefore, Abet become a added values for graduate from that department. And then Industrial and System Engineering Department. Industrial and System Engineering Department is one of the largest departments in Institute of Technology School November and has been successful in its efforts to develop its education programs. This is reflected by the acquisition of 3 accreditations, namely National Accreditation or BA and PT, with A accreditation for bachelor and post-graduation programs, and international accreditation that are Abet and ONKA. Now, Abet's international accreditations assured the public that the institution through its department has access international recognition for its quality. Students graduating from Abet are charged by employers in the world to have global standards in engineering, where many job vacancies in the world in engineering requires the graduate from Abet accredited department.
And then added values from Industrial and System Engineering Department. There are 5 laboratories that Industrial Engineering has. They are Manufacturing System Laboratory, Ergonomic and Work Design, and then Logistic and Supply Chain Management, and then Quantitative Modeling and Industrial Policy Analysis, and Management and Industrial System Design. First, Manufacturing System. This lab was founded in 1995 with the name of the Production System Laboratory. The aim of this lab is to supporting the science of industrial engineering in the design of manufacturing system in order to achieve a high level of efficiency and effectiveness, especially in the field of manufacturing system design and then and in production system. To support this goal, in manufacturing system lab, there are some tools or equipment that support the lab, and also the lab teach several software which is so important to use. Next, ergonomic and work system design. This lab has aimed to carry out education, research, and community service in order to produce an effective, safe, healthy, and efficient work system so as to increase the productivity of human work. This effective, safe, healthy, and efficient work system is formed from the design of a good work system in the sense of meeting ergonomic aspects of the existing work environment. Activities undertaken and facilitated by laboratories include practicum, work design, application, APSK laboratory activities are the implementation of QFD training or workshop in product design and development with ISO 9001 2000. Laboratory facilities owned by the lab, APSK among others, laboratory room located on the campus of the first floor measuring 9, 9 meters 9 meters and also human error simulation room measuring 3 meters. Next is quantitative modeling and industrial policy analysis. This lab has aimed supporting the achievement of the objectives of the ITS Industrial Engineering Department in the field of optimizing quantitative evaluation as an alternative to decision, including simulating and support the achievement of the objectiveness of the ITS Industrial Engineering Department in the field of design and information system. QMIPA is the core of every lab, and the measures of its lab is the core on every measures. To improve the ability of information technology, both industrial engineering students, non-IT companies or industries, namely by holding computer training programs, including on simulation, there are Arena, ProModel, FanSim, and Awsim. In programming and database, there are MS Project, MS Access, MS Visual Basic, and in support, there are SPSS, Linda, Lingo, Expert Choice, and MATLAB.
The fourth laboratory is Logistic and Supply Chain Management. This lab was established in 2006, and the lab is the first laboratory in Indonesia to concentrate on the fields of logistic management and supply chain management. The focus is to produce an efficient flow of goods from upstream to downstream, which is supported by information flow, coordination, and collaboration between business actors from raw material suppliers to end customers. And at this laboratory, there are 4 activities which can do. First, research and publication. This lab aims to be the foremost in the field of research so that its result can be utilized in the industrial world and provide significant scientific contributions as evidenced by publication in international journals. In terms of scientific publication, LSCM Labs will encourage each member to conduct scientific publications in international journals. The second activity is gathering. This event was held to strengthen contacts between the practical industrial world and academia, which plays every around 3 or 4 months. Next, newsletter issuance. Publish a newsletter containing the latest information, such as activity news, publication news, future activity agenda, and so on. The last is training. Training activities have been routinely carried out since 2001. Next. The last laboratory is PSME. System Development Industrial Management Laboratory was established in March 2000 as a response to the lack of a place to develop management science in the Industrial Engineering Department of ITS and the high interest and talent of industrial engineering students in the current science of industrial management. The role of PSNE is focused on the managerial system of an industry in such a way that the mobilization of existing units in the industry is effective. The function and role of this laboratory are: first, become a research center for the development of industrial engineering disciplines. Second, become a means of self-development for industrial engineering students. Third, hold scientific discussion in the field of industrial engineering. And the last is become a training center for scientific development in the industrial engineering environment.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention and see you.